these pandemic times, the situation still calls to refrain us to go out unnecessarily from homes. So then, a garden to keep like vegetables, herbs, or ornamental plants could be the best among other environmental projects to get into. Since it doesn't require us to do social contact with others, planting in pots and layering them is a quite sensible for everyone to start. So why not try to cultivate a soil? Isn't it a better environmental plan for the pursuit of community health? At this moment, you are now wired to upkeep the environment. Becoming mindful to work for nature's sake is a fulfilling role that helps to eradicate community problems. Certainly, it offers a lot of meaningful ways which absolutely promote life and restore health. Such that elders could do tree planting, learners would help clean up drive, others may initiate beach clearing, while residents may sort to recycling or waste reduction and a lot more. Among them, which would you prepare as means to realize an environmental project? How about gardening from your backyards? Like planting in pots and recycled containers on terraces or in an area near after the doorsteps? Wouldn't you go for a home living amid attractive surrounding? As a learner, you possess a vital role to the environment. Your cooperation will function as a foundation for others to initiate desirable attitudes, habits, and practices in contribution for a healthy community. At the end of our discussion, you should be able to participate in implementing an environmental project such as building and maintaining a school garden or conducting a war on waste campaign. How to learn from this lesson? To achieve the objectives cited above, you are to do the following. Take your time reading the lessons carefully, follow the direction and instruction in activities and exercises diligently. Our topic is all about home gardening as an environmental project. This time, you are encouraged to live a greener lifestyle at any path your feet may take you. It would be overwhelming to see you becoming environmentally aware. As you deal with the lessons, you would develop more of lifelong habits and could potentially invite others to make dramatic difference in the restoration and revival of the earth. For instance, the environment in which we live is a major determinant of our health and well-being. When everybody is safe and well, there could be no doubt to attain a healthy community. You have learned many ways to prevent and manage environmental health issues. It stressed the immediate attention and proactive action on our part to ensure conservation and combat contaminated environment. Today, you will be given a good option of home gardening as an essential action, particularly when the pandemic halted the world. Fear arises in our community and people may have picked up new hobbies while they remain in self-quarantine due to the COVID-19 concerns. Your attention in gardening may be far from most of your generation has taken interest on social media, online games, and other modern technologies has presented. But trying to involve environmental projects such as gardening will offer a great deal to the health and well-being of community members. Its introduction to you as a learners may be able to lessen the food wages in fact in the low-income community, while allowing you and your neighbors with greater access to nutritious food that is necessary to live a healthy life. Look at these pictures. Do you have it in your homes? Staying mindful about environmental impact. How essential it is to have a collection of colorful potted plants or a well-blossomed garden with a layered and beds of seedling? An ornamental and food garden will bring a lot of advantages at home and even for our environment, the Mother Earth. So prepare yourself for a good relaxation and productive pastime to plan. This could be intimidating at first, but an exceedingly rewarding hobby to keep. Here are all-time benefits of food gardening. Number 1, improve physical health. A fun way to stay active includes gardening. We could excitedly rise outside in the morning and have fresh air to move our limbs, activate veins, and stretch muscles while tending the plants. Involvement in this gardening activity promotes physical health, which is equally close to exercises that helps to improve cardiac health and immune system response, decrease heart rate and stress, improve fine and gross motor skills, flexibility, and body strength. Number 2, good for mental health. Staying active for gardening is a recreational way of life. We get to realize our connection to the earth when enjoyment comes on watching the crops grow and somehow boost our courage when it fails. Indeed, the responsibility that comes with nursing the plants can give us a sense of purpose and worth. This will relieve stress, anxiety, and depression. Plants in the garden or in layered pots can relieve your exhaustion of daily works. Watching beautiful things around will relax your moods. Number 3, nutrition intervention. Growing your own food would improve the quality of diet of the entire family members. As you harvest your own produce, you will be benefited with its fresh, tasty, and quality nutrients that prevents malnutrition. Vegetables and herbs have vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants compared to a produce from groceries and markets, which may have more loss of nutritional value when being shipped, distributed, and packed in a storage or shelf. Number 4, food haven. Foods from garden are practical. They can provide additional to the menus of every household. Ultimately, in times of pandemic, it is important to have a food security. When we are asked to stay home and practice social distancing, vegetable gardening is an advantage to those who lost its ways for earning. Number 5, add savings. While you can share your produce to neighbors, you can also sell them to others who want, like local restaurants. Dining out may be minimized for now due to social distancing, but there is a visible extent of restaurant food deliveries for the people, in which you can deal as a supplier to them. Grown veggies will also be a great source of food for the entire family, on which your mother can keep a little and use to buy other necessities your family needs. Number 6, natural home decorative. Even something as simple as having a plant on the corner of your house will improve its space and atmosphere, since it can make the room appear bigger, brighter, and more inviting. It purifies the air in home against chemical compounds from paint, carpet, toys, and more. It can minimize your expenses for fancy decorations and turn them to a natural and environment-friendly beautifications. 7. Better for the environment. When you tend to your your growing veggies and herbs, of course, you don't easily jump to pesticides and chemicals like white farms do. This will prevent unnecessary water and air pollution. As soon as every household do this, it also minimizes the use of fossil fuels for transportation in markets and groceries. It also provides us more oxygen we need. A community surrounded with greener gardens would minimize effects of climate change such as flash floods and global warming. And lastly, number 8, noise reduction. Did you know that plants have sound absorption traits through their dynamic surface area? Yes, houseplants reduce noise. It is their tangible benefits that minimizes sounds in a noisy apartment building or next to a busy road. Several factors that influence the effectiveness of plants for the noise reduction include the number of plants, the size of the plants, the density of the foliage, and the surface area of the plants. Again, there are 8 benefits of home gardening to community and environment. Number 1, improve physical health. 2, good for mental health. 3, nutrition intervention. 4, food haven. 5, savings. 6, natural home decorative. 7, better for environment. And 8, noise reduction. And home gardening develops good traits and life skills like goal-oriented, creativity, patience, initiative, love of nature, self-confidence, practice wellness, responsibility, reasoning, and discovery. That ends our discussion for today. Meanwhile, gardening is a healthy and fun-way activity. Individuals may develop good traits and life skills necessary for health and living. There are also a variety of gardening activities that are interesting and fulfilling. Keep in mind that a sustainable garden works with its surrounding nature to contribute to a thriving ecosystem. Becoming mindful to its environmental impact is the key. Please make your own home gardening today using at least 5 plastic bottles. Submit a photo taken before, during, and after you did it. And don't forget to label it with your name and section. That ends our lesson. I hope you learned something new today. If you still have questions and clarifications, please write it down on your answer sheet and we'll give you the answers soon. See you again next week, same time from 2 o'clock p.m. to 2:30 p.m. here only on DWND-FM, DWDY-AM, CMD Cable, and follow the Facebook page of SDO Cauayan City more live updates and informations. Remember that education must continue amid the pandemic. This has been Teacher Cherilyn bringing education in the comfort of your home. Be safe!